we got a guest in the building right here.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
What's up?
You know what I mean?
What up, everybody? Thanks for having me, man. Lenny Linguini.
Of
you know
course,
what I'm saying?
of course.
Linguicious one.
Yo, everybody's got a nickname for me somewhere, man. I got Splish King. I got Linguicious one. Man. I make a
real Splinglicious in here.
Yo, you see? It's all coming together. I'm about to put those on flyers and put them out. You know what I mean? Yeah. Tell everybody, call me different names, but it's gotta be a form of that.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. But yeah. So Blizzard 617, what's popping? You know, what's splishing? You know what I mean?
Right now, man, I got the debut mixtape out, man. I'm representing Hard and Civilians. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Roundtable GMCs as well. You know what I'm saying? Anybody who's been helping me, you know, with the movement, even DaCypher Radio got a hand in my Cold Files mixtape. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, sorry, I gotta see the password for the thing. My fault. I didn't mean to interrupt you.
It's all good, man. We gotta do what we gotta do.
Yeah.
That's the password right there.
Oh, word.
Yep.
Nah, it's still down. I'm about to just use this hotspot right here. But yeah, so you were saying you got a debut mixtape, you know?
Cold Files mixtape, you know. I've been working on this for a long time, you know. Took a lot of pain, took a lot of time, man, away from my son, you know, and going through those lonely days, man, in the streets without the folks no more, without the brothers and sisters, the cousins no more. Right. And finally got time, you know what I'm saying? And God brought me some shine last year. He brought my wife in my life. Hey. You know what I'm saying? She really holding me down right now, making sure I get my talent shown.
That's what's up. Yeah,
That's good.
That's that support system that we always talk about. You know what I mean? And
you know what I'm saying? I'm not afraid to, you know what I'm saying, let people know what's going on in my life. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a hidden individual. You know what I'm saying? I'm like Jesus Christ. I'm like his father. I watch everything.
Hey.
I hear everything.
That's what's up.
You know?
You guys gotta be paying attention, you know? You can't just be lost out here.
For sure, man. For sure. Whoever you believe in, man. You know what I'm saying? If it keeps you good as God, man, it's easy.
Yeah.
Right? Man, that's what's up, man.
Well, yeah, tell them a little bit more about yourself. Like, where'd you come from? Like,
well, you know, I was raised in Dorchester. You know what I'm saying? I ended up moving a little bit outskirts to like Foxborough area, then moving back to Boston. Originally from North Carolina, Greensboro. Hey. I was raised like 20-something years here in Beantown.
Yes.
I'm a green monster.
Okay. Yo, man. There's been a lot of changes in Boston, so I'm glad that you've been able to see them.
Yeah, for real.
You know? But yeah, so you make music, you promote all over Facebook, all over the place. Like what is the biggest thing that you use to promote yourself? Like, say artists need to how does it work for you? Basically, is what I'm saying.
Right now, how Hard and Civilians is moving with Blizzard 617 right now is we looking to promote love in the hood.
Yes.
We trying to put an end to that, you know, that how can I say it, like, you know, those old sayings, you know what I'm saying, like the hood ain't got no love in it. I'm not with that. I'm not with trying to make that real. I'm not trying to spit that in the air no more.
Yeah, bro.
There's love in the hood, man. Hard and Civilians.
Yeah. The frequency definitely needs to change, and that is definitely one way we want to go about it.
Beantown ain't all about killing each other, man. We ain't out here trying to rob niggas to eat. Most of these motherfuckers is living, excuse my language. I don't mean to hit it like that, but most of these guys is out here, you know what I'm saying, doing some crash dummy movements out here, man, and it's a little frustrating. I'm sorry.
It's cool. Nah, it is frustrating. I understand, like, you know, all that behind that is just passion, you know, what you want to see, you want change, you want to see different things.
I got a real good support system out there right now, man. You can catch me performing every Tuesday at Yaz's place, you know what I'm saying, at the Taco Tuesday, you know what I'm saying, 7 Stoughton Street, you know what I'm saying, Dorchester.
Yeah, bro.
You know, and I'm going to be doing the social Sundays, you know, with the linguicious one. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I got to hit that cameo real quick.
Yes, sir. True Era, Heavy, Riz, Lifestyle Promotions.
Shout out to True Era for the last couple joints, man. Have me looking like a superstar out here. I gotta say it. Man, I ain't never seen no movement like this in a while, man. I'm over here just like wiping the sweat off. Just lost 5 pounds off of doing show.
Yes. I'm still working. You can see me still sweating, man. I'm still trying to put it together.
For sure. But we really about promoting peace in Dorchester, Roxbury, Mattapan. We trying to make sure that our young and upcoming artists who coming out of high school understand they got companies out here that's not just, you know, promoting violence.
Yes.
We promoting positive things. We don't want our youth to come out going in the wrong direction because we misleading them or giving them false information and false hope.
Yeah.
Yo, when I get a sound effects thing that I know how to use.
Boom, 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 bang. You know, all the thunderclap.
Thunderclap. Get out the line. You ain't even got
man, Blizzard.
Yeah, but if you guys don't mind, real quick, you know what I mean? It's about to be 8 o'clock, so what I like to do is, you know, it's kind of half of the show. If you don't mind, I like to drop a little advertisement. Come back in with another play of I Don't Dream by Blizzard 617, so, you know, he can hear it on the radio, so, you know, he can get his moment in the moment, you know what I mean? And then we can talk about this song in general, you know, and then get his thoughts behind what's really going on, other than, you know, because it's already positive. So it's gotta be more positivity through the music, you know? So
yes. I'm here to uplift our young black men.
Yes.
I ain't here to put you 6 feet deep, no.
No, man, and that's all.
Don't talk about my mama though. Know about that.
Yeah, so we about to go ahead and drop this commercial real quick, and we'll be right back.
Hey guys, this is DaCypher Studio, located at 342 Downing Street, Mattapan, Mass. 02126.
That sounded beautiful.
Yeah, well,
This is exactly what I need, guys, right here, man. This is the energy, man. Me and my wife, man, we've been doing nothing. Since we met Lenny, I know he's been seeing the drive. I know he's been watching me.
Everywhere.
Man, I'm trying to make it happen, man. I see what y'all doing too, man. Where y'all be at? Most of the time, y'all be doing college stuff. What y'all doing?
We like, we just doing what we can get, and like, you know, and see just try to make each one be successful.
That's what I like to hear, man. That's exactly what we doing, man. We trying to put on, man. I'm trying to kick doors in, man. That's it, man.
Exactly.
You know, I remember when Mike told me he was going to have this dream come to, you know, fulfillment, and like, boom, here it is. I'm sitting in it. You know what I'm saying? He's definitely one of the many men in my life that has been very, very outspoken and show me a good man out there. A good black man is out there. And, you know, I know a couple of his leaders as well. And, you know what I'm saying? Everybody is very, very humble to me. You know what I'm saying? I just really know that there's been good things I've been feeling like ever since this opened. And this is, it's weird how I'm back in the same seat where I was dreaming of, like, hopefully I'm not just here just to see Mike. I'm here to actually sit down and be somebody useful for Mike. You know what I'm saying?
And that's
straight up, man. Split splash, I was taking a bath.
That's all we want. That's all we want.
Yeah, funny, yo. Oh, man, yo.
I split it, man.
You dig?
So that's all we try to do. Like I said, we just try to get different voices out there, different people, different opinions. I'm tired of hearing bang, I'm a
Listen, I ain't got time for it. I ain't trying to talk. I ain't trying to talk to nobody's mama or daddy about what happened, about none of that. You feel me? All set.
That's wasting my time.
Well, I just want to talk about how we're supporting each other, what our support system is, what's keeping us up right now, you know what I'm saying? Like,
another thing too is like, you know what I'm saying, why are these men so angry and so afraid to share why they're so angry? You know what I'm saying? Like, why ain't they like, they so open to their friends, but when you get them into a corner and you really getting those questions that you need out, and you know, they're not giving you the answer you really want to know. You know what I'm saying? You're like, you know what I'm saying? I don't really want to deal with you, but I don't want to fight you either. That's where that keep your enemies close come in. You know what I'm saying? Like at the end of the day, some people can't stand for you to turn your back on them. You know what I'm saying? So it's always a fucking loophole with shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's why I always say like, take things with a grain of salt, like, you know, because no matter what you're seeing it, you're not that other person, you know what I mean? So you don't know what they're going through or whatever.
So only thing I gotta have is a room, you in the room, 5 minutes. What we talking about, like ever since we sat in this seat, it was just like firecracker. Like, you know what I'm saying? We gonna light this show up tonight, whoever listening in tonight, we gonna light this show up.
That's all I want, man. That's it. Promote the positivity, blow it up, positivity. You know what I mean? That's it. That's all I got for.
How was the song?
This song just came out like 2 weeks ago, man.
Okay.
Like 2 weeks ago, man. Thank you, man. I had gotta do something for the non-drinkers, man.
Yo,
There's people that don't drink.
yeah, it is.
For real. That I like.
I don't drink.
Yeah,
You know, I drink beer. You know, but liquor kind of give me like I get like those crazy migraines. So like, you know what I mean? When I do that liquor, the hangover add on to it. So it's like, you know what I mean? That's no good. You know what I'm saying? And I don't drink water. You know what I'm saying? It's like that. You know what I'm saying? So it's not that I don't want to. It's just I can't remember with the schedules that be happening. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I mean? We holding it down.
Yeah, we have to repeat all that again.
I'm with it. How come I can't hear nothing in these headphones though? I couldn't hear shit.
Oh, my fault.
Oh, now I can.
My fault.
Oh, yes. Who is?
But yeah, that's you right there, man. That yellow specials on the radio right there, man. Yo.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
We back.
What up? Oh,
yeah, see, now he's got headphones on. Now he's like, yeah, I can hear myself. I gotta talk. I gotta talk so I can hear it, you know?
What's his head?
Yeah, you see? Yeah, that's what's up, man. So, yeah, you know, over the break that we just had, we was chopping up a little bit about his song right here, I Don't Drink. And it's really, you know, there's a really good reason behind it. Like, you know, obviously the song says I don't drink, but you know what? I'm gonna let him go ahead and explain the song, the meaning behind it and all that.
Well, you know, everybody, you know, first of all, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for listening. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Mike, you know what I'm saying, at DaCypher Radio. Shout out to Lenny, you know what I'm saying, all the DJs, man, everybody here tonight, man, for sure. Thank you for having me. I hear you.
You know what I'm saying? It's understood. My presence is understood.
Definitely, man. I don't forget no face. Know that.
That's what's up.
Know that for sure. I don't forget no face. But the I don't drink song, man, is for my, you know what I'm saying, for my non-drinkers. You know what I'm saying? Not everybody drink. You know what I'm saying? And I'm one of those guys that don't really drink like that. I might have a beer too, but I'm not really, you know, good on my feet with the alcohol in my system.
That's okay, man. You know, hey, everybody's got their own niche. But I know you. I don't know if we can be talking, but I know you do the alternative to drinking, though, right?
I mean, you know, this is a green-friendly state right here, man. I gotta agree with that statement right there. I gotta agree with that.
Right, like how we were about that. That was really good, you know, segue into that.
Man, you know what I'm saying? That's why that part said, you know, I sip on this blunt real slow. You know what I'm saying? And that cloud is so loud, Black Robin's like, whoa. You heard me?
Damn.
That course is lit, though.
Yeah, I like that.
I appreciate y'all on that one, man. I put my everything into all my music. If you give me the beat, it's over.
Hey, yo, because, you know, we might have some beats, might have some songs that we should be collaborating on. You know what I mean? We got DaCypher Radio and the studios right around the corner. It's literally.
I mean, that's nothing. Lenny, man,
Yeah.
split splash,
I'm
nigga.
just saying,
Split splash.
You know, we can go ahead an hour after this and go ahead and chop something real quick.
Yeah,
you
for real.
Man.
I'm just saying.
We can do this like 2K and chop that wood, baby.
Yeah, bro.
Real quick, you need 12-minute quarters, real quick.
Let's do it. Let's do it, man. I can even take it to the 2-3 on the basketball court.
Yo.
We do all of that, man. But yo, for real, thanks for coming in, though. I really appreciate that. I was like,
thanks for having me, for real. You know what I'm saying? Bringing hearted civilians in the building. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Roundtable GMC. That's my family. University 617. Very, very outstanding rapper. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm here to big up myself, but you know what I'm saying? I give respect when respect's due. That's my family. You know what I'm saying? I've been rocking with him for like 23 years. So, you know, I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, while I'm on the radio, let y'all know that Roundtable GMC is also popping, and I'm going to get them on out here. We kicking doors in.
yeah, we're gonna spell the splish,